How to update payment methods in OneXBet. First of all, open the OneXBet app and log into your account. Once you are in the main screen, tap the menu icon at the bottom right corner. Next, tap Settings by selecting the gear icon in the top right corner. Under Account Management, tap on Top Up Account to manage or update your deposit payment methods. Here you can add a new payment method by choosing from options like credit cards, e-wallets, or bank transfers. Enter your payment details carefully and save the changes. If you want to update payment methods for withdrawals, go back to Account Management and select Withdraw. You will see your current withdrawal methods. To update or add a new one, follow the instructions to enter and save your new payment information. Make sure your account verification details are up to date, as some payment methods requires confirmation before use. And that's it. Now you know how to update payment methods in OneXBet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.